Hey, June.
Hey, June.
Cameo.
Alright, are you recording?
No.
Okay. Today we're going to be working on CB500 4 1972. We've got a big ass battery from a BMW R65 from like 1983 or something, so this is going to go really well. We've hooked it up
Today
with
on
this
how to melt some wires.
Okay,
Was it this button?
Groundo on.
Yeah, alright, so.
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh, okay, okay. Alright, kill it there, kill it there.
Kill it.
Turn it off, switch it off, switch it off.
I'm
Switch it
literally,
off
I don't know
and
if you can see that on the camera. That is adrenaline, that is pure, that is what happens when
Okay,
you...
can we kill the music in the room too?
yeah.
Because we're gonna pay for licensing for that.
Oh fuck. God damn!
So, sit rep. Wilson's still a dick. We're nearly getting the bike working. He's gonna edit it, so I'm gonna try and be nice to him, but he is still a dick. We're just picking up this here jerry can. So we're gonna go up this, get some petrol, and that's Niall's bike. Very pretty. And we're gonna get the bike running today. Fingers crossed.
Yep. Is it on? Is the bike on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm ready with the throttle.
Okay, alright.
On,
Fucking hell, here we go, boys.
I'm excited, let's do it.
I'm excited too. Ready when you are, mate.
Ready? Choke?
Was choke on or is it on or off?
That's open, that's open there, that's open there.
Open?
I can read
Right,
it. Okay,
yeah.
go again, take two.
Takes it.
So right now we're just draining the carbs to try and get any water out. We weren't sure if there was, but we're getting a lot of
Definitely is.
a big old
Okay, if you
weed.
pass the camera over here, I can give
Yeah,
you
I'll
a
come
nice angle. Thank you. Okay, so here we go. So we've got one has finished leaking. The second one along, you can see that is pure water.
Look
Do we
at
have
that.
to do the mid ones as well? Or?
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
you have to do everything, man. I got attacked by a bug.
Don't light it too close to the- you're getting closer.
Sit rep update. We have cleaned the fuel tank. We've burnt out the old fuel. We've got new fuel in there. Got a battery in it.
Bike.
Mo-
No bike.
Phone's on set.
Ow, that's all tingle.
More gas.
More gas.
Alright, okay. Sit rep update.
I'm aroused.
This fucking spark plug's out.
Yeah, this one's out too.
Oh, who did that?
You did.
You did.
I remember you doing that.
I'm still fucking shaking. I'm still really excited.
Yeah, I'm still so
Every time it does the da 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 da. Sounds like a remix.
There's my
man.
phone. I'm trying to look for it.
Right.
That's not gonna be able to.
Nope.
We're on.
We're on.
Yeah.
We're active. Game on.
Open it for a sec. Open it for a sec.
Yeah, hold on.
Kill it, kill it.
No, I don't want to drain the battery because that starting it takes a lot of oomph.
Okay.
Okay.
So it might be the